I get up early in the morning with the help of alarm. By around 5 a.m. I'll be up. I have the habit of drinking hot water in the morning, so I get up, come down and boil my water. Once the water is boiled, I'll take it in the glass. I have a very beautiful balcony and I just get my morning cup of water in here, and there's a big tree outside my home. I just stare at it and I just relax here early in the morning. That's a pleasant view, and there is someone who will be accompanying me always. That is my pet. He's here. Hey Rocky. Rocky. Hi. This is the one. Once I complete reading the newspaper, I give time to that day's subject. Whatever I have planned the previous day, I'll just start with the subject and I try to complete it, and probably make sure that you give only like 1 hour to newspaper and not more than that. That's one thing like I've learned from past 2 years. The habit gradually like comes to you. Like earlier I used to take around 2 to 3 hours to read a newspaper, but now it's reduced. So in the same way, like as and when you keep practicing reading newspaper, you will try to like develop the habit of reading the newspaper in 1 hour or like less than that. This is my study table. I have my laptop here, and then this is my book wherein whatever I feel, I just write it someday here. And I love Lord Krishna, so I have two statues of two small idols of Lord Krishna here. And this is a book wherein I write whatever I have to do the next morning. I just write everything in this book. It's a very nice book, and I keep this handy. What is this? Like the plan, yeah. I keep my UPSC plan, the previous year question papers, and the syllabus handy in my table always. And whatever that particular day I want to study, I just keep those two books in here, because like I don't want to like get up again and again. So that's the reason I just keep these two books. And whatever like I've studied but I feel like I'll forget it, or sometimes I have to revise all these things, I just make a key point and I'll just place it in front of my eyes, so that whenever I get times I can just look into it. From this, like I can have learn things more easier. Like that is the point. And I have a cupboard just above my study table, and these are the books I have, and whenever I need it, sometimes I'll just pick it up from here. And at 9:30 I start my day with my job. I work for an IT company, and the job timings is from 9 to 6 or 7 sometimes. As it's work from home, there is no timing, so I start working. One thing to make a point here is, whenever you get time, please make sure that you give time to like in between, like you get 10 or 15 minutes time, try to like watch a short video. Let us revise at least one point.